Went to start my truck this morning with the remote start, and I couldn't lock the door. You have to lock the door first, get it to beep before you can hit the remote button, but it didn't lock. So I knew that the battery was dead, although it hadn't given me any indication beforehand. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the key fob. I have a 2012 Ford F-150, and as you can see, the key fob has gotten a lot of use over the years. To use the remote, you hit the lock once, the truck beeps, and then you double tap that button there, and it starts the truck up. This will work the same even if you don't have the remote start. This space will be blank here. It doesn't matter. I think it's for between like 2011 and 2014, and probably on most key fobs it's fairly similar, but I think this key covers those years. So if you look at your key, you see this little space right here. It's an open spot. You can use a quarter, or as I'm doing, a small screwdriver, and you just stick it in there and you pry it up, and then you can separate the two pieces. Now this is the battery. Turn it around. As you can see, it's a CR2032 battery. This is actually the new battery that's in there, because I did replace it. But what you do is you just pop out the battery. It's one of those button batteries. And then you would take your new battery, and with the plus sign facing upward, you take it and you slide it underneath the little lip right there, and then just press it into place. Now on here, you can see there's this little seal, and that just fits right into that space there, and it covers your battery. It's probably some kind of water seal on it. And then you just take the key and you snap it back into place. I'll try not to do this through the viewfinder. Oh, maybe if I turn it around and face it the right way. There we go. And then you just snap it into place. And let's see if we can hear the truck beep. Don't know if you heard that or not, but that now locks the door and the battery's replaced. Literally a 30-second fix for a battery that's dead on your key fob. So this is for the F-150. I have a 2012. I think it runs 2011 to 2014. And I'm going to guess that for most key fobs, it's going to be something very similar. Okay, thanks for watching.